Flexible and reliable. For us, these are the key characteristics of good connection technology. At Balluff, you get everything from a single source: sensors, systems and network technology, as well as suitable connectors and connection cables for a wide range of requirements and optimum use in your industry. With our versatile, flexible and reliable connection technology, we support you with rapid integration and ensure quick and easy commissioning of your machines and systems. Our range includes various connection cables, distributors and connectors for reliable sealing and signal and data transmission. The connections are used in both mobile and robust applications in all areas of industries. Let's start with the absolute classics. Connecting cables with M8 connectors in PVC and PUR versions. But which material is the right one for my application? PVC cables are cost-effective, versatile and have good insulation properties. PUR cables are very robust, resistant to oils and have high abrasion resistance. They are therefore also suitable for use in harsh conditions. It all depends on the intended use, so please get in touch with us, we will find the right cable for you. These variants are of course also available as M12 versions, without or with an additional status LED. This is another point that can sometimes simplify my life in the system if I can see directly what is going on. Of course, there are also a lot of cables for special applications, such as welding-resistant cables, cables for the hygienic sector, or drag chain-resistant cables. And all of course in a variety of sizes from M8, M12, 7/8 inch, M16, M23, RJ45, USB, valve connectors and many more. Balluff offers you everything you need for the connection and electrical connections in your system. From the sensor to the bracket to the connector to a wide variety of cables. Everything is available in the accessories program. This is just a small insight into the diverse range of connection technology from Balluff. You can find more information about our complete range of accessories and why they make your life easier in the video description. Give us a call, send us an email and follow us on our social media channels. We will find the right solution for you.